Hello friends, today's topic, these stocks may go up if there is a post-election rally. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra and the purpose of the video is service to society and financial education. Indian stock markets have been very volatile. Almost every day in the last few weeks, Nifty has moved in both directions in the same day. And after some time, the same day, it would be trading negative. The lack of clear direction is because of the nervousness and uncertainty of the election results. The expectation from most people, including analysts, is that there will be clear movement after the election results are announced. Although, depending on the results, the markets can move in either direction, most people are expecting a good rally for the markets after the results. If our market rally well after the results, then certain stocks which are trading below or close to their 200 days moving average may have a good chance of appreciating. The following are some stocks which are very close to 200 DMA, either around 3% above or 3% below 200 days moving average. Usually, once a stock rises above the 200 DMA, the chance of a long-term uptrend is likely. Now, stocks slightly below or above 200 days moving average. Bajaj Finserv below 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average is at 1,600. Current market value 1,583. Second company is ITC below 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average is 440. Current market price 436. 3. Nestle India above 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average 2433. Current market price 2444. 4. Dabur. It is almost the same at the level of 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average 541. Current market price 542. 5. PI Industries below 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average remains at 3,594. Current market price 3,577. Sixth company is Memphasis. It is below 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average at 2434. Current market price 2312. 7. PNB Housing Finance. Almost the same level as 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average 734. Current market price 733. 8. Whirlpool. It is above 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average 1462. Current market price 1543. Number 9, Angel One. It is about 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average 2644. Current market price 2745. 10. Shree Cements. Above 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average 26,067. Current market price 26,296. 11 stock is Dr. Reddy's Lab. It is below 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average 5837. Current market price 5801. 12. SBI Life Insurance. It is above the 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average 1403. Current market price 1437. 13th company is Crescent and it is above the 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average 4272. Current market price 4377. 14. Company HCL Tech and it is below 200 moving average. 200 days moving average 1395. Current market price 1337. 15th company and the last company is Canfin Homes. It is below 200 days moving average. 200 days moving average is 766. Current market price 755. So watch out for these stocks in the next few weeks. If the markets react positively to the election results, then many of them may rally along with the markets. At the same time, you may get a buy indication as per a technical indicator which you use and you can take a decision accordingly. Usually, a time will come when neglected stocks and underperforming stocks get identified by investors, traders, and then such stocks suddenly start rallying due to their lower valuations. At such times, if we hold such stocks, we can make good profits in a short period. End of the video, here is a question. Do you watch markets regularly during working hours? Yes, now and then, or no, I am busy with work. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.